a clean and educational animation showing a basic web page layout built using HTML. Display floating code snippets like H1 welcome welcome and P this is a paragraph. P minimalist style, light background with code elements appearing as if typed live. Show browser window frame with HTML elements appearing inside. A creative animation showing how plain HTML transforms with CSS. Visualize a web page getting styled, changing fonts, colors, and layout. Use animations like a title turning blue and a paragraph sliding into a styled box. Include animated CSS code blocks like H1 color blue. An interactive web page scene where clicking on a button triggers animations. Visualize code like document.querySelectorButton.onClick equals alert, clicked, appearing and interacting with elements. Animated hand clicking buttons, pop-ups appearing, dynamic feel, modern UI. Split screen animation showing the front-end browser, HTML, CSS, JS on one side and backend, server, database, code on the other. Show arrows of data requests from browser to server and back. Use icons and code snippets to represent each side. An animation visualizing how a browser loads a web page. Start with a user typing a URL, then show a server request, and then HTML, CSS, JS code being returned and rendered into a visual site. Include a simple globe icon, server racks, and browser UI. Show a developer using VS Code Editor with features like syntax highlighting, live server preview, and Git integration. Animate extensions installing, and a simple HTML page live reloading. Use light dark theme UI of VS Code with clean transitions. A terminal window and code editor where Python backend code is typed. Visualize simple Flask root like adapp.root / and a server running. Background shows server icons and database symbols. Simple dark theme for coding environment. Illustration of a web app sending API requests and receiving JSON data. Show a RESTful API request, get post, animated JSON response like name, John, age 30. Use wireframe UI elements, browser DevTools interface, and arrows showing data flow. Animated login screen with a user typing username and password, submitting form, and a backend verifying credentials. Visualize hashing passwords and session tokens. Minimalist UI with security icons like locks and user avatars. Animated scenes of a website being deployed to cloud platforms like GitHub Pages, Vercel, or Heroku. Show a file being pushed to a repository, deployment progress bar, and site going live on a browser. Globe icon with websites popping up. A fast-paced summary animation of all previous scenes. Display a timeline of web development, HTML, CSS, JS, backend, hosting. Show cheerful coding characters, browser icons, and inspirational text like start building today. Clean and modern ending screen.